Hey, dementia caregivers. Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, what do you do if your loved one who is suffering from mild to moderate dementia insists on wearing the same outfit every day? So this can be a common problem, and it may just stem from the fact that they really like that piece of clothing or they really like the color. So there are a few things you can do. If it's mild enough or moderate enough, you can reason with them and you can say, well, they're in the laundry now, but we'll make sure they're ready for tomorrow. As dementia progresses, or if they just happen to be in a phase where that piece of clothing is really important to them, one of the things you can do is just buy duplicate items. So if it's a blue shirt in a size medium, see if you can go online and find additional shirts that you can keep in the closet so that you can make sure they're getting rotated into the laundry and that your loved one is happy. But one of the things you want to do is you want to always find the path of least resistance. So you can either tell them it's in the laundry, or you can get another shirt or another couple of shirts, or you can do the choices. You can put two outfits out and say, well, that one's not available, but here are your choices. And sometimes having a concrete choice is enough for them to select something, be happy about it, and not be agitated or stressed out. And if they're not agitated and stressed out, as a caregiver, you will not be agitated or stressed out. For more information, solutions, or tips, check out the next video. Don't forget to join athomewithdementia.com. Like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.